Hello guys, Vanakkam. Welcome back to your channel Vastranand. In today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing net embroidered sarees. Look at the colors. We are going to have some amazing colors, lovely design. But before we begin with today's video, let me tell you, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Share this video to as many people as you can, because they also have the right to dress up beautiful and shop amazing sarees. So this is me, Rachna, and let us begin with today's collection. So here comes our very first color, which is going to be this very lovely bubble pink shade. So firstly, showing you the blouse material. This is going to be your blouse material along with this pink saree, which is completely plain pink blouse material. So keeping this aside, let us begin with the details of this saree. So here comes your rich pallu. Beginning with the pallu, here it is going to be filled with lots and lots of pink embroidery. The design is going to include the mango shaped designs and lovely traditional designs. On top of it, you'll find beautiful golden stonework. I'll just come a little closer to show you the golden stones. So here it is how you'll be finding lovely stonework as well on the embroidery. And this is your pallu section. Let me show you the rest of the saree. So it is going to be net fabric. So this is the pallu section. Let us move ahead. The entire saree has this beautiful design. So apart from the mango shaped design, if you see lower, you'll find flowers, leaves as well. This entire section is going to be filled with flowers and leaves. Now, if you have a look at the look of the saree, it is perfect for, sagais or for sangeets. So this is that kind of a party traditional look kind of a saree. Now, this is going to be your pleats section. This entire section is going to be your pleats. So now when you wear this saree, the pleat is going to be looking something like this. I'll just show it to you. So when you pleat your saree, at the bottom you'll find this lovely embroidery part. Look how lovely it looks. And yes, I've already shown you the blouse piece, which is going to be pink. So see, basically when you drape the saree, at the bottom of your pleats, you'll be finding embroidery. Mine is this lovely red saree with beautiful stones on it, with red thread embroidery on it. Showing you the third color of this particular catalog is going to be peach shade. So this is this very nice peach tone. Now here comes your peach blouse material along with this saree. Also guys, if you've loved this particular catalog, how can you place your order? You have two options. One is downloading our application. So quickly go and download our application, which is Vastranand, works for both iOS and Android. So you have no excuses for not to shop. Now, second option is the contact number on your screen, which is right now. You can just call us, WhatsApp us on that particular number. We deal in not only retail orders but wholesale orders as well. So well, yes, you are going to love shopping with Vastranand. Opening the pallu section for you, this is going to be your rich pallu. Okay, apart from the pallu, the entire saree is going to be filled with lovely embroidery. Similarly, here is going to be a peach net. On top of it, you'll find same tone thread embroidery. Look at this. Again, the golden stones on it look lovely. So actually, many people love this catalog, but they always crave for more color options. So we have tried coming up with as many color options as we can in this particular catalog. So well, here it is, a lovely peach tone. Now here comes your pleats section. Look at the bottom, you'll find the same embroidery. Also guys, whenever you shop net sarees, it is very risky that you have to make sure that the net is good quality. Firstly, it should not be rough. Secondly, it should not be very stiff. So this is going to be a very soft net. It absolutely does not prick your skin. It is going to be sitting very smoothly on your skin. Look how soft this is, and it is not stiff at all. So this is going to be a very good quality, best quality net over here used at Vastranand. So this is your peach color tone saree. Shifting to the next color, which is going to be almost the fourth color of this particular catalog, is going to be blue. So here comes your blue color saree. Along with this saree, you will be getting blouse material, which is going to be in pink color. Now opening the pallu section first of this saree. Well, so here comes the pallu of the saree. Look at the blue color. It is going to be a very nice ice blue kind of a shade. And on top of this blue, look at how lovely the golden stones look. It is going to come up very beautifully. So it is perfect for any morning function. You know, peach shade, be it the soft pink tones. These colors look absolutely stunning in morning functions. Whereas the ones that I am wearing, it looks good in both morning and at night functions. A lovely deep red color. So well, this is the pallu section. Moving ahead, showing you the pleats part over here now. Here comes the pleats section. Now, as I said, the net fabric is going to be very soft. Look, it just fits in my hand so beautifully. It is not at all going to be rough. Very good quality net. Now, along with this one, we just forgot to show you the blouse material. This is going to be pink color blouse material that you're going to find with the saree. Now, moving on to the next color, this lovely gray shade. Let's just open this up. Along with the gray saree, you'll be getting a gray color blouse material. Let's just keep this aside. Guys, it is gonna be a very lovely piece, very lovely collection for your party sarees, party wear sarees at a very, very affordable rate, let me tell you. Well, let me tell you, these sarees are going to be one of the bestest party wear saree collections in your wardrobe, which is going to be good quality and very affordable rates. The rates are going to be very, very affordable, pocket-friendly prices. If you want to know the price of this particular catalog, quickly go ahead towards our application, Vastranand. In there, you'll find all the other saree collections as well, along with their prices. So, this is going to be the pallu again. The design includes kerries, it includes flowers and leaves, kerries as in mangoes. So well, moving ahead, here comes your pleat section. Very lovely gray color. You know, gray doesn't look good with all the saree designs, but this one, it goes really, really well. So here's our almost, I guess, fifth color. Moving on to the next one, which is going to be the last color of this particular net embroidered saree catalog, which is going to be green. This very lovely parrot green. Along with this, you will be getting a blouse material in the same color. So here comes our beautiful parrot green saree. Look how lovely the color has come up in this particular catalog. The design of the green colored thread embroidery looks lovely. On top of it, you'll be finding golden stone work as well. I'll just show you again. So this is how it looks. The stone work actually gives you a very lovely shine to your entire saree. So party wears, you know, generally party wears, people consider it should be very blingy. It should be very shiny. So that is not the case over here. It is going to be a very nice subtle shine saree. Moving ahead, so here comes your pleats section, and with this we are done with this nice, stunning net embroidered sarees with very good quality net at affordable prices. I guess I already have told you how you can place your orders, and I hope you've already downloaded our application Vastranand. Also, we deal in not only national but international orders as well. So if at all there are any viewers who are watching this video right now from out of India, I know how desperate you guys are to get your hands on this lovely saree collection. Do follow Vastranand right now and see you in the next video with more stunning collection. Bye-bye.